Quick question. Have you ever posted a wedding recap like this? Packed dance floor, another amazing night, I absolutely crushed it. And then there was silence. You heard absolutely nothing from it. No inquiries, no bookings, maybe a couple likes from other DJs who also posted the exact same thing 10 minutes earlier? Here's the problem. If your content looks exactly like every other DJ's content, why would a couple ever choose you? They won't. And it's not because you're not talented, it's because you're telling the wrong story. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple shift that turns your wedding content into something that actually builds trust, stands out, and gets couples to say, yep, that's our DJ. All right, let's get into it. Roll the intro. Yo! Greetings and salutations, my good friends. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of weeks since I made some content for everyone because I was on vacation.
I'm thinking I'm back.
My wife and I celebrated our 9-year wedding anniversary, as well as my birthday, so we took our annual trip to Florida. It was great to get away, recharge batteries, eat some good food, do some shopping, and finally get a well-made mojito. Here in New York, it's literally impossible to find anyone who knows how to make a good mojito, so I gotta go all the way to Florida to find that. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest mistakes DJs make on social media. And honestly, it's probably costing some of you bookings without even realizing it. But first, if you're new here, be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell notifications so you never miss out on any of the great content I put out on the channel. Okay, here's the thing. Couples don't care how loudly you say you're amazing. They care if you can make their wedding amazing. Big difference. They're not sitting there thinking, wow, this DJ seems very confident. They're thinking, can this person handle my timeline, my family, my drunk uncle, and my friends who don't dance? That's what clients are really buying. Clients are not buying your confidence. They're buying proof. And most DJs are accidentally posting the wrong kind of proof. A packed dance floor is great, but on its own, it's just noise because every DJ posts a packed dance floor. At this point, even bad DJs have a packed dance floor clip somewhere. Let's be honest. What actually books you is the story behind the moment. So instead of packed dance floor, try this. This couple told me before their wedding that their friends don't dance. By 9:30, I had to tell people to leave the floor so we could do cake cutting. Now that hits different. Here's another example. Instead of another epic night, you say, bride was stressed all week about the timeline falling apart. We built a plan, adjusted on the fly, and she didn't have to think about a single thing the entire night. Now, you're not just a DJ, you're peace of mind. And let's not forget the real MVPs of weddings. The couple that says, our family doesn't really party. And then grandma is out there requesting one more song like she's headlining a Vegas residency. That's the content you should be posting. So when you shift your content from you to them, 3 things are going to happen. Trust goes up fast, credibility actually means something, and your content stops sounding like every other DJ on the internet. Because right now, a lot of DJs sound like this. We're passionate. We're experienced. We bring the energy. Cool. So does everyone else. The DJs who stay booked aren't the loudest. They're the ones showing real moments, real reactions, real outcomes, real stories. They're not just showing that the party was lit, they're showing why it mattered. So here's something you can do immediately. Next time you post, don't start with yourself. Start with the couple. What were they worried about? What almost went wrong? What surprised them? What made the night unforgettable? Tell that story. Friends, now listen. At the end of the day, nobody is booking you because you crushed it. They booked you because they believed you can make their night perfect. And the easiest way to prove that? Show them people just like them. Winning.
It's like winning.
So I'm a little curious, and be honest, when you post, are you talking about yourself, or are you telling the story your future clients actually care about? All right, my friends, if this helped you rethink the way you market yourself as a DJ, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of content has actually brought you bookings lately. As I say at the end of all my videos, a day without dancing is a day wasted. Go out there, be a great DJ, be an even better human, and until next time, keep the dance floors packed, keep the couples happy, and keep building a business people can't stop talking about. I'll see you guys in the next one.